Hi everyone, this is Angel.
And I'm Jeremy.
Yeah, today's topic is 照相.
Taking a photo.
Yeah.
Do you have a digital camera?
Yes, of course.
Do you have lots of photos?
Yes.
Yeah, it's pretty popular these days. Okay, let's get on to the words, to the dialogue.
Okay. 哎，是你啊！我以前经常在电视上看到你，我可喜欢你了。
Hey, it's you. I used to watch you all the time on TV. I really like you.
啊？
Huh?
能帮我们照一张相吗？
Can you help me to take a photo?
没问题，
No problem.
按这个快门就可以了。
Press this button that activates the shutter, and it should be fine.
来，1、2、3，茄子。
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 茄子.
再来一张。
Take another one.
1、2、3，茄子。
1, 2, 3, 茄子.
再来一张。
Take another one.
1、2、3。
1, 2, 3.
谢谢啊，谢谢啊。
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
But how about the end?
Yeah, Huang really made a meal of that, didn't he?
Yes.
Didn't get any of them right.
Destroyed the photos.
Yep, shocking.
So let's see the language points of today.
Okay.
First one is 可 plus an adjective and 了。
哎，是你呀！我以前经常在电视上看到你，我可喜欢你了。
啊？
Right, now this 可 looks a lot like the 可 from 可以, but it has a completely different meaning.
Yes.
It's just here to add emphasis. So whatever goes between 可 and 了 is being emphasized here, and it's an adjective that goes between.
Yes.
So here we go. Let's have a look at an example.
红烧肉可好吃了。
Braised meat is really tasty. So tasty is 好吃, and we're going to put that between 可 and 了.
Yeah.
So that emphasizes that it's really tasty. It emphasizes the adjective.
Yes, you can put 可 as really.
Really. Okay, let's have the next one.
Okay. 瑜伽可难了。
Yoga is really hard.
It's really hard.
It's quite hard.
Yes.
So we put 难, which is the adjective between 可 and 了. Again, this is another way just to emphasize, to say really, the adjective.
Yes.
Okay, let's go on to the second language point now.
Okay. 就可以了。
按这个快门就可以了。
Okay, roughly translated, it means it'll be fine, no problem, right? So we put this at the end of a sentence to indicate that the result of doing an action will be fine. Okay, so it's a little bit hard when I explain it like that, but once we see it in the example, we'll understand. Can we have a look at an example?
Yes, and also it has the same meaning as 就行了。
That's right. There are other ways of saying this. Instead of just 就可以了, you can say 就行了, and the other one is 就好了.
Yes,
right.
the same.
They all mean the same thing, interchangeable with each other.
Yes.
So let's have a look at this first example then.
Okay. 看这本书就可以了。
After reading this book, it'll be fine. You might say that if, for instance, you didn't know how to cook something, you say, oh, 看这本书就可以了.
Yes.
And after reading this book, and you'll be able to cook, it'll be
Yes.
fine.
Yes.
Right? Okay, let's have a look at the second example.
不用麻烦您了，我喝茶就好了。
I don't want to bother you, tea will be fine.
Yes.
Okay? So, if you were to be in a restaurant and someone asks you, what do you want to drink? You say, look, I'm not fussed.
Yeah, not to
Tea will be
interrupt.
fine.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so 就好了 or 就可以了 or
就行了
就行了,
Yes.
they all mean it'll be fine. You add it on the end of a sentence to say, I'm easy.
Yes.
Okay, let's
So-
go on to the tips. Tip time. So, one tip for you today is to teach you how to be a real Chinese when you take photos. Now, we all know cheese, but in Chinese we say something different. What is that?
Almost the same pronunciation. 茄子
And what does it mean?
actually means eggplant, but here's nothing with eggplant.
So
But-
nothing to do with eggplant.
Yes.
We're just using it for the shape
Yes.
that it makes your mouth move
Correct.
into. So,
Yes.
茄子.
茄子 cheese,
Right.
the same.
So let's give it a go
Okay.
to sign off for today. One.
茄子 Sorry, again.
1、2、3，
茄子
Bye.
Bye.
And when she lets me slip step away.